Hello, this is MerryMachine. MerryMachine is an application that autonomously filters articles from several different news sites, the New York Times, ABC, and the Washington Post, with plans to increase the number of sources into three general sections: positive, negative, and political. Each section contains a set of cards that contains a link to an article which fits the niche of that section. The client side is hosted on GitHub Pages and pulls data from a Heroku Python Tornado server through a WebSocket. We update the article data several times a day, excluding inactive hours between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. in order to abide to the 550 monthly dyno hours that are provided by Heroku for free. The code. To start off, we scrape data using our scraper.py from the three set sources. For the scraper, we use AIO HTTP to send asynchronous GET requests to obtain article web pages from the three different sources. And then we use Beautiful Soup 4 to scrape information from those web pages. We sort this information into JSON arrays, which we then export into a respective JSON file. Next, we run a local server using Tornado and feed data through a WebSocket into our testing page. In our testing page, you are able to select from three different categories: positive, negative, political, and neutral. Neutral is for any articles that don't fit the niche of the other three types. When we select the type, we send the article data and type back to the WebSocket where the local server downloads each article as a JSON. We import those JSON files into Drive and load them into our trainer.ipy notebook. We pre-process the data using the IMDb encoder over here to convert our title and text strings into bytes and separate a specific type value from the batch of 4 types to train a binary classification model for one of the 3 types on the website. We repeat the process 2 more times to create binary classification models for the other types listed on the website. Once we obtain this, we move our models, scraper, and WebSockets into the cloud with Heroku. We import these models into our model.py script and use the same encoder from IMDb to encode the new article strings that we get from another JSON file that has been developed by the same scraper from before, but in the Heroku cloud. We pass each encoded string to the 3 models using the predict function and then place each article into the category that best fits its type. We use cronjob.org to keep our server awake. When our user comes along and loads the official site on GitHub Pages, the client makes a WebSocket call to the Heroku server, which sends a JSON file of the labeled articles upon connection. Then we use view.js to reactively render the news that is found in each section.